Hello guys, how are you? Guess what I prepared for you in this video? Of course, in this video, I prepared for you another K-pop drawing, and today I prepared from BTS drawing, yes, the jhope one. And if you are a K-pop lover or an ARMY, please watch me to the end of this video and tell me who's your bias. Or have you ever went to a K-pop concert? And if you are ready, let's get started. And before we start, if you don't subscribe to our channel now, subscribe and hit the bell below so you can always be the first one who see our video and enjoy. And please tap to the like and make a comment for our video. Thank you so much. Let's get started.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your
Guys, if you want to support our channel, please tap to the buy me a coffee and be the first one to support our channel, because in 1 year ago there's nobody to support, and please be the first one. Thank you so much.
fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
I need
Do you have boys in K-pop group?
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new
Guys, what do you think about this my artwork? Please tell me your comments.
I feel like the pain in the past.
For this video,
Take off the cast, I
yes.
feel like I'm a new person.